So here we've got the Rock Exotica Pirate Carabiner, and this is the Orca version. Orca stands for Open Regular, Close Auto. Unique feature about this particular carabiner is it opens regular like all triacs. You push up, twist your barrel, but right now it's ready to open. You can leave it set in that position. There we have it. It's ready to open. You can have it hanging on your saddle, hanging on your hardware, and it's going to function just like a regular carabiner. Open it, it closes and locks. The HMS shape is also considered an asymmetrical D carabiner because you can see there's no symmetry here. This is perfect for rappelling with a Munter hitch. Like all Rock Exotica carabiners, fit and finish is excellent. This carabiner, your strength on your major axis is 26 kilonewtons. We have 11 kilonewtons tensile strength on our cross loading, and with our open gate, we're at 7 kilonewtons. One thing you'll see on Rock Exotica carabiners, you'll notice a dimple at the top and the bottom of the carabiner. And the dimples are always going to be where the proper loading is going to occur in the carabiner. And what they're doing is they're proof testing this carabiner. And at the Rock Exotica, they take the carabiners to 50% of their break strength. Load them there, and they do that with every single carabiner. That's what proof testing is.